All right, I'm getting ready to take this girl out on the beach for the first time in the sand. And it's the first time I'll be able to do it because this is the first four-wheel drive I ever had. So I'm gonna need you guys' help in the comments and let me know what I'm missing so far to take with me this next trip. So far I've got my Ugga Dugga in case I need to change a tire. There's the charger right there, which I can plug in right there in the bed. This Craftsman portable air compressor for airing up the tires after I leave the beach. And it's got AC power, it's got DC power on this side, and then it's also even got a battery, which is the same battery that the Ugga Dugga takes. So that'll be good, and I'm going to test it out here in a minute. Then I've got my air down kit. This just screws directly on your valve stem, and you can set it to how many PSI you want. So I've got it set to 10, and I'll demonstrate this in a minute. It comes with 4 of them, so you can deflate 4 tires at the same time. And it also came with really good looking valve stem caps. Let me see if I can get this open with one hand. There we go. Yeah, these nice valve stem caps come with it, so I'm gonna put those on for sure. Those are nice. And then I've got a 35-pound recovery strap. It's a 30-foot. It's 3 inches wide. Can do up to 35,000 pounds. If you don't believe me, it says it right there. And it comes with these nice big shackles. So that's what I've got so far to help me out on this beach trip. Y'all let me know if there's anything else I need to get so I can be prepared. Thanks. Here she is airing down. You can probably hear it. See how that little thing is dipping? That's kind of cool. That's the pressure regulator. Whoop, I hope I didn't just mess it up. There we go. But it's airing down to 10 PSI, and I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. All right, she's aired down to 10 PSI. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little bit of a bulge at the bottom now of that tire. That's exactly how we want it to drive on the beach, from what I understand. So now I'll test this out to make sure it works, and we'll see how quickly we can pump it back up to 35. All right, you can see the PSI set right there. So it's got a digital readout for the pressure. It's at 13.5 right now. I just turned it on. It's coming up. This deflator, I forgot to tell you, it took about 2 minutes or maybe even 3 minutes to air down all the way to 10 PSI. And I did check it before I started re-airing it, and it was at 10.5. So these are pretty accurate. I like it. But I'm glad that I have one for all 4 wheels because it does take 2-3 minutes to air down. But we'll let this guy air back up to 35 and I'll show you how it did. All right. Apparently everything is, I got a 0.5 offset today because it did air it back up to 35. It's showing 35.5 now. I'll just leave it there. It's fine. But the problem is it took about 7 or 8 minutes. So, that would take a long time, probably 45 minutes to do all 4 tires. So that's, I don't know, if you guys know a better portable air compressor, this one I think was $150. I'll post the Amazon link below. But if there's one that's roughly the same or maybe just a little bit more in price, let me know. That'll air it up a little faster because that's going to take a while. Anyway, that's all for this one. Give me your advice in the comments below about what other gear I should have before I hit the beach, and I'll see you guys on the next one.